The gentle glow of a fire brings warmth and calm to any home. The Dimplex Mapleton captures that feeling with timeless style and innovative flame technology. At the heart of the Mapleton is our patented Optimyst effect, a mesmerising blend of light and fine water vapour that creates flames so real you'll forget they're not. Its freestanding design gives you complete flexibility. Simply plug in, switch on, and enjoy instant ambience. You can tailor the flames to suit any mood, from a soft flicker to a warm, inviting glow. With a three-sided design, the stunning flame effect can be admired from every corner of the room. When the temperature drops, up to 2.1 kilowatts of heat wraps your space in instant comfort. The opening door invites you closer, adding to that authentic stove feel. Even without the heat, you can enjoy the gentle glow all year round. Every feature is easily managed with the remote control, placing comfort in the palm of your hand. Soft crackling sounds complete the experience, enhancing the lifelike illusion of a real fire. Manual controls are neatly built in, giving you quick access to heat and power settings. The thermostat maintains your ideal temperature automatically, keeping your room perfectly cosy. Beautifully crafted, designed for modern living, and made to make every day feel warmer. The Mapleton is the perfect balance of style, simplicity, and comfort.